Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G10 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So firstly, I will show you how to customize it and how to adjust it, and then I will show you much faster access to this feature. So firstly, we have to enter the settings, and right now let's find the display option. On the third position we've got night light, so simply tap on it, and in order to check actually how the night light looks like, just tap on turn on now. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or a little bit amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will make it easier for you to look at the screen in the dim light or actually with bad light conditions around you. What's more, we can change the intensity of that feature by going to the left. You can make it much cooler, and to the right much warmer. Obviously, just set it like you want. What's more, you can schedule it so you won't have to manually turn it on or off. You will be able to turn it on at custom time or from sunset to sunrise. I will pick the custom time, and as you can see right now we can choose the start time and end time. So I will pick the start time from this clock. Let me pick, for example, maybe 6 o'clock. Let's tap on OK, and end time at, I don't know, 3 o'clock. Let's tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied. So it means that from now on, your device will use the start time and end time to automatically activate this option. But let me turn it off. Let me turn it on, and actually this is the whole customization process, and right now we can go back and I can show you much faster access to this feature without the customization. So all you have to do is simply unroll the top bar and find the night light icon, which is right here. Right now it is obviously turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see, the screen turns back to its normal state. Obviously, to turn it on again, just tap on it. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the night light in your Motorola Moto G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.